My name is Ramon Sanchez and I'm the COO of Firefly Aerospace. We have made several strategic investments in our Cedar Park campus, one of those being in the expansion of our clean room. Our current clean room is going to be 4 times the size of our original clean room, allowing us to set up a production line for our Blue Ghost lunar landers and our electro-orbital vehicles, which will enable multiple lunar missions a year. With our new GlowWorks Innovation Lab, we're enabling rapid technology, innovation in propulsion, carbon composites, robotics, and 3D printing. We're improving our rocket manufacturing and testing at our 217,000 square foot facility, supporting launch engineering, manufacturing, assembly, and integration, making continuous upgrades to automated carbon composite and propulsion machinery. Also, upgrading several test stands, including a multi-bay engine test stand for our Eclipse rocket. Our facilities are co-located in Central Texas. The rocket ranch is less than 30 miles from Cedar Park campus. The proximity enables rapid innovation and testing. The Firefly team is super excited about our growth here and our future in Central Texas.